Jina yangu ni Pamela Semigwe. Mimi ndiye chairman wa Nakuru National Agricultural Show. Hapa nyuma yangu tuko na my deputy Bishop Mwirore na county director of agriculture Madam Renette Nechesa. Siku ya leo tulikuwa hapa ili kuwa na all the exhibitors. We had invited them so that they can come today for a briefing even as we prepare for Nakuru National Agricultural Show. Wamekuja kwa wiki. We are happy because of the attendance. Our chief guest today was the Deputy Governor for Nakuru County, His Excellency David Connes. He attended this, he graced this important occasion na tunafurahi. Nakuru National Agricultural Show inakuja mwezi wa 7 tarehe 1 mpaka tarehe 5 July 2026. Itakuwa ya siku 5. This is a big show. Nakuru show is the third largest after Nairobi International Trade Fair, Mombasa International Show. So ni show tunatarajia wakulima na wekaji wakuja kwa wingi. The exhibitors will come together with the show goers. Watoto wa shule watu watakuja sababu kuna mambo mengi ya kusoma. Tunajua Nakuru County ni county inategemea sana mambo ya kilimo with a very high proportion of GDP derived from agriculture. Within the county there are various industrial crops kama pyrethrum ambazo zinakuzwa hapa. Kuna mahindi, kuna ngano, kuna barley na pia mifugo ya aina mbalimbali kama dairy cattle, beef, poultry, pigs, hata wekaji wa nyuki. So it's a country which depends so much on agriculture, and we are urging our farmers to come in large numbers so that they can be able to learn about modern technologies and innovation that can transform the agricultural production. Wakulima watakuwa na mambo mengi ya kusoma, wakuja kwa wingi. Kuna siku tumeweka ya wakulima, siku ya kwanza na ya pili ni siku ambayo tunatarajia wakulima wakuja kwa wingi waweze kusoma mambo mengi. Tuko na wageni wa muhimu each of the day. Siku ya kwanza tarehe 1 Wednesday tunatarajia the regional commissioner wa Rift Valley ndiye tumealika kama mgeni wetu wa heshima so that he can represent the NGAO, National Government Administration Organization, sababu ni watu ambao tunafanya kazi nao vizuri. Hata wakati wametusaidia kusambaza hii habari kwa wakulima mashinani. So Wednesday, the first day of the show, is the national government, is actually a siku ya provincial administration because tunasaidiana. Siku ya pili ni ya county government. County government, we know agriculture is devolved and the county plays an important role. Agriculture is within the county. Hapa niko na representative wa county, Madam Renette Nechesa, ambaye ni director wa agriculture, so that we can be able to mobilize farmers. This year we are planning to have as many farmers as possible attend the show. Na tunatarajia gavana wetu Her Excellency Honorable Susan Kihika, she will grace the second day of the show on Thursday 2nd. Siku ya 3 tunapatia national government. Very important. She's part of the administration, the national executive, and that is the time we expect the national government to grace this occasion. It is also the official opening of the show. We expect the patron of the ASK akikosa tuwe na deputy patron na hawa akikosa sababu ya kazi ambayo inakuweko, tunakuwa na cabinet secretary for agriculture. So it is a day we normally give the national government to grace that occasion, and that will be on Friday that. On Saturday we are expecting the executive of one of our parastatals, the Geothermal Development Corporation, tumewaita so that can be able to grace that occasion. Na siku ya mwisho ya 5th July, we are expecting people in the education sector to play an important role, and we have invited the Vice Chancellor of Egerton University, Professor Kibwage, to grace this occasion. We know education, the shows play a very important role na kwa mambo ya elimu, hasa sana hii wakati wa competency based education. We know that the show play a very important role in providing practical and experiential learning to our learners so that they can be able to learn what is actually taking place in the field. Tunatarajia watoto wa shule all the way from primary school, junior secondary, senior school na pia wanafunzi wa tertiary institution like universities and TVET wakuje kwa wingi so that they can be able to learn a lot during the show. So far we have sent invitation letters to many schools, primary schools, junior, senior schools, na hata universities we have invited them. The number of visitors this year is expected to be very high. Tumesambaza hiyo ujumbe. We have done a lot to invite as many exhibitors as possible, and so the show goers will be able to get value for their money. We are still doing much more and more publicity kupitia through the ngao, kupitia makanisa, kutumia system ya county government, and also publicity through billboards, through banners, and the county government of Nakuru has really assisted us in ensuring that this publicity is done widely as much as possible, not only within the Nakuru County, but also surrounding the surrounding counties of Narok, Kericho, and Bomet, because these are part of the Central Rift branch. Kwa hiyo tunatarajia exhibitors to come in large numbers, the showgoers to come in large numbers, and I can assure you they are going to have value for their money. Malipo ya mwaka huu hatujabadilisha sana, ni shilingi 300 kwa mtu mzima, shilingi 250 kwa mtoto, na wale ambao watakuja kama organized groups kwa vikundi vya wakulima, vikundi kama mashule, their payment at the gate will be concession. Hao watalipa 250 kama ni wakulima, watu wazima, lakini wako kwa kikundi, watu 10 na zaidi. Lakini kama ni watoto wa shule tunalipisha shilingi 200 tu peke yake. Yeah, so that is a moderate payment to enable us to offset some of the cost we incur, and like in the past we know this will be done. Mambo ya security, we are doing everything possible to ensure that we liaise with the security teams within the county so that washikadau wote ambao watakuwa hapa wakati wa show, school children, the show goers, those who will be able to patronize our show, they will be safe. We are having a security meeting next week. Right now, we have already visited the county security team, the county commander, the regional commander. They have assured that that you are going to give us all the support. And next week, we are having another meeting with the sub-county team so that they can be able to work. We can be able to work as a team kuhakikisha security iko ya kutosha so that those who come for the show, they should not be having any problem. We are very, very, very grateful because of today's attendance. Ukiangalia pande ya nyuma kuna over 100 exhibitors who have come to this important event, and this will be the ones that will be exhibiting within our show. This year's attendance has been very good. We have already gotten indication that attendance by the exhibitors will be very high, and so we request nyinyi watu wa media mtusaidie kusambaza habari. We shall be having even more publicity kwa TV, national TV. Some advertisers will be running. Tutakuwa na local radios, we have been involved with them, na pia kuna social media. Hao tumewaita vijana wetu watutengenezee content ambayo itatusaidia kusambaza habari mashinani hata kwa Gen Z so that wakuje in large numbers. We believe that they can be able to run. Tunajua Nyota inawapatia pesa ya miradi mbalimbali. Hiyo pesa umepewa, you can be able to start a good project, and when you come here you can learn even more about kama niyo kazi yako unafanya, kama ni kazi ya vifaranga, kama ni kazi ya kuku, kama ni kazi ya nguruwe, kama ni kazi ya even farming ya fruit trees. So inapatia hiyo nafasi ya wewe kuja usome mambo mingi so that you can be able to improve on your business. So with this, I want to take this opportunity to invite all the people within Nakuru County, neighboring counties, Central Rift region, and even the country at large, wakuja kwa wingi so that we can have a successful show this year. Asanteni sana.